Hush now, darling, close your eyes. The world is gentle in this night. Let my arms become your cradle, safe and sound to morning light. When shadows lengthen on your window and dreams drift softly near, I'll be by your side forever, holding every fear. Come home to me, come home to me, let the worries fade away. Come home to me, come home to me, where love will always stay. Every sigh and every whisper finds its rest upon my